Hello and welcome back to Blue Bear Trader. So today, due to a lot of news and stock that involve or related to Bitcoin and Ethereum, I'm gonna um, review them for the very first time. All right, so and you know everything can use short, right? Even your house. That's why I learned. All right, so let's do a quick deep dive into Bitcoin. I don't invest in them. I don't believe in them. But now, due to a lot of people that bought Bitcoin and Ethereum, I will review them. And if you like, I might review them weekly or something. All right. So let's take a look. Okay. So short term very oversold. Okay. Now let's do a quick measurement. Because if it hit about 30%, to 40%, usually it's time for a bounce. So right now we have about in October, so about 6 weeks now. It fell 28%, which is a lot, but not a lot compared to other tech stock that I reviewed before. So let's see, 28%. All right. What's next? Let's look at the level. So we have right here 76,000. Okay. Let me see. What's the next one? So 73,700 is the next support. Then a little bit above that, I would say 83,000. Okay, yeah, let me change it. All right, so we at 89, and right below that we have 87. All right, so we got this level. Okay, so this I will call this intermediate, because Bitcoin and other crypto, they move pretty fast, and they move 24/7. So we will have more level to watch. All right, for the ceiling, for these resistance, we have 94. Well, it was the support, now become resistant. Okay, so what's next? Let me flip to the weekly and see. So we got basically one candle, two candle. These two kind of cancel out. 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's a lot. Let me go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so the last time we got, right here. So the last time we got big pullback was, wow, this is 45%. Okay, so right here. Okay, so look at this. Last time this happened was the end of 21. Okay, so we see 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, and maybe 5 weeks here if we count this. But basically, if we look at the percentage, it's about roughly the same right now. Alright, so it looks to me that, now let me go back. Okay, to right now. Okay, so about the same. We are also at the end of the year, dropping down 29-30%. So it seemed to me, if I go back to the history here, the next 2 to 3 weeks, it will bounce within the range. Here it was 46 to 51. Okay, so if we times 2, that is 92 to 102. All right, so now we go back here. So in a way now we got 87 to 94. Kind of close. Let me see, up here is 101. Actually, that could be like as well. So let's see. Having a lot of layoff and economy is slowing down, so which is why it makes sense. So I think the next 2 to 3 weeks we will bounce between 87 to 100. It might come down based on history. Okay. So, and you can see, I mean 101, because 101, if you look over here, it was a support, but it got broken, came down to another support, broke again. But this right here will be a better support, and I think a lot of people, if it dip a little bit more, we might have more selling. But when it hit like 85, 84, we will have more buying, and then maybe the short seller will force to buy back, and then it will force Bitcoin back to, let's say, 94 to 99. Okay, so around this time. So basically, it will be around this area. Okay, so what's next? Let me see if I see anything else. If I do a measurement, so and between 54 and 62, it's a good buy zone if you know. Okay, so you see what I'm getting at. So we got a head and shoulder here. Not sure if anybody caught on this, but we got head and shoulder. It can break above 60, 70. If it breaks 70 and come a little bit higher, then it will come back and test. Then all right, you know, head and shoulder, and guess what? It's working out right now. So we see this was the support. It came below, and if you watch a lot of my video, you will know what I say when it come down. It will come back and test the support trend line. Then boom, it pulled way back. Now let's do a quick measurement. Not much, you see this? Not much, and then being Okay, and then we come down to here. Voila, 89. So guess what? From 87 to 89, I think it could be the temp bottom from what I'm seeing here. It might hit 87, but I think at that time, a lot of short seller will see this and bounce. I mean, they get out. So what I'm seeing is the buy zone is around 87 to 89. So when that happens, it will take Bitcoin back probably about 95, 96. So I predict for short term, Bitcoin will bounce back to about 96,000. Okay. Oops. Okay. And then you know what happened after that. Usually it will come back down. Maybe here. Or here. So it will come back. And maybe it will bounce back up to 100, 101. Need to stay neutral, then it will be good enough. Otherwise, it will come down to 27. You know what? Let's take out 1,000. You can see for the past 2-3 months. All right. So I believe, you know what? Actually, it might even hit here at 104 because it will try to retest this trend line and break above. But it might be coming down more. I'm not sure at that time. We will come back and see how it is. But I think we might have a temp bottom at this point. And it will reverse back to around 96, pull back, and have another jump at 101 to 104. Okay. You know what? If you're not sure, maybe if you know me, I like to well, a lot of crazy prediction, but they may hit because of the technical. But this time I will do the same. 104, 96 here, pull back, and then jump. It might even come down only like this. So that's just how it works. Okay. Let me see if I see anything else that we need to pay attention. For short term, wow, too many color already. So you know what? Let me take out some of the color. Since I already did, I will take these out. Change this to green. There's blue. This out. And then make this. Oh, this will be blue. Okay, so short term, we got this line, and okay. So wow, look at this, look at this. You can see this is short term, right? And guess what happened? It just hit the support. You got the support, trend line support, and you got the long-term support. That's a good support. So I think we might bounce. It might go down to 96 or even higher. If we hit the top, it might hit even 90, not 98. So yeah, that's actually now drawing the trend line helped me a little bit. This is why when I predict stocks, I try to draw the current trend line to see and predict better short term. And with this line, I think these will be the how it will work. Okay. All right. So now this is my prediction for Bitcoin. And we can come back maybe later this week to take a look. All right, now for Ethereum. Ethereum, let's see. 36%, so a little bit more than Bitcoin. Let me see if I draw the trend line. Look like this. Yes. Well. What do we have here? We have the support again. Oh, and look over here. Support line. Okay. All right, and then another support line around here. Okay, this will be more of a lower support at 2600, and even though we drop below 3000 even number, but we just hit the support here. Okay, let's see anything else. We actually got a little bit more support at 2800. So I think 28 is a little bit better for. Okay. So basically right now we got support and a little bit better support here at 28.30, and we got it's over, so short term and long term. All right, now we look just like, you know what, Ethereum is moved just like Bitcoin, no matter what people say. So we got 1, 2, don't count this, 3, 4, 5. No. About 30 something percent. Oh wow, did I do this? Maybe I looked at this before. Okay. See, okay, I got something bigger right here. So quick measurement, 45%. 30 something percent. Oh, there you go. And when was this? Oh, there you go. Same time. We got 1, 2, 3. This one doesn't count. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And over here we have 4. Right? Because these basically cancel it out. And we got about the same percentage. So the next couple weeks we might have maybe coming down lower. Last time came a little bit lower. Much. About 10%, 4% lower. So now let's go back to the current. maybe it will perfect. Look at this. About, well, if we raise this up a little bit, then we raise this, and yeah. Okay, so 45. Remember I say about 2600, 25 something, 2600? Right here. Yep, this is a line. So, too hard to see. Anyway, okay, so so let's say if Ethereum from here, I think we might, same for Bitcoin, we might have a little bit of a temp bottom, and it will bounce to, let's say, 3150. And then maybe it will come down even more, probably down to here, or can come up to here to 3300. And then it will come down to 2700. Then it will bounce. Now, if I look back at the other one, so it went lower. This doesn't mean it will be the same. So let's skip that part and give it a chance to bounce. So something like this, here at 3600. So we got, all right, something like this for Ethereum. Okay. But again, this is just my prediction. It might even go down lower than here and hit 2600, 25 something, then it will bounce. But I believe we are due for a quick bounce. If we go to 3300, that's 10%. So we'd have 10% bounce and then boom. And maybe it will come back higher to reset the trend. You can see the trend is going down, right? High, low, high, low, high, low, high. And then it come here, it will come a lower high. Well, but after it's jump back here, it will reset and maybe come down and come back up like this again. So we will see. But yeah, this is what I see for Ethereum. Alright, thanks for watching. Please hit a like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.